What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. Guys, today we have a wonderful show. We got 56 people in here already. Look at that. Chat already going nuts. Guys, we did put slow mode on as per request of one of our amazing mods, Tyler Durden. Just so I maybe, I don't have to keep scrolling up and then I miss people's comments. Maybe we have to turn it up a little bit. We're learning as we go here, guys. Let me fix my microphone just a little bit. Boom. Okay. All right, guys. So we got an awesome stream today. We are going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. What's going on? Are we finally bullish? Is it time to buy? Should we be DCAing into Bitcoin? Should I buy altcoins? All the questions we have. We're going to be taking a look. I'm going to let you guys know what I think, where we might be headed. I'm going to be letting you guys know where I think I might be looking for trades. And then we will be looking at actual trade this morning or earlier today, a short that I was looking to take. And as usual, I was recording a video and I missed the entry, didn't want to FOMO in, but I will show you guys where that trade was, why I was looking to take it. It actually would have wound up being a winning trade. So I will share that with you guys. And speaking of recording videos, guys, oh no, we're frozen. We're frozen. Oh boy. Okay, we froze for a second. It does say I have a low bit rate right now. So bear with us if we freeze. I think we are frozen again. All right, let me know in the chat if you guys see me and I'm frozen. You are not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Viewers will be experiencing buffering. Okay, I'm just gonna rock. You guys put a bunch of red siren emojis in the chat if you can't see me, so I know that we're frozen and you guys can't see me. But speaking of recording videos, guys, I got a big one. I got a big one coming out tomorrow. I'm going to try to release it by 11 or 12 in the afternoon. It's going to be big. I think this video is going to kind of give a lot of you guys a breakthrough with your trading. So it might have a little something to do with divergences. I don't want to leak anything here, but it might have something to do with divergences. It's a very, very simple strategy that can help you guys get into really confident. Okay, I think we're back, guys. I think we're back. If I fix that, it's a miracle. If that is fixed, I am a miracle worker. Let's go. Let's go. I don't even know what happened. Sometimes you just got to push a bunch of buttons and it gets fixed. Okay. Welcome back to the stream, guys. Sorry about that little hiccup there. It now says we have excellent connection. However, it does look like I'm out of focus. I might have to fix that, but we'll see. But welcome back to the stream, guys. Sorry about that. Wow, we did get everybody back. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful to see all of your beautiful faces. I don't know how much you guys heard before, but we're going to be covering Bitcoin. Where do I think we're going? I'm going to let you guys know about a short that you could have made today. I was looking to make it. As I said, I was recording a video. Missed my entry, didn't FOMO in, right? Because it's never a good idea. I like to always reinforce that. But I will show you guys where that short was and why I would have taken it. And then, you know, speaking of recording videos, I don't know if I'm repeating myself. I'm just going to go over it real quick one more time in case you guys missed it. I recorded a big video, right? It's our first, you know, trading-based, you know, actionable video where you guys will be able to watch, right? And you'll be able to take that information, bring it right to the charts and start getting into trades right away. It is very easy, very beginner friendly. I think this is going to be a big breakthrough video for a lot of you as it is a very simple, easy strategy. And I think it will help you guys feel confident to get into trades just because it's simple, right? We like to keep it simple. You don't want to overcomplicate trading. Refocus. Okay, hang on one second, guys. Okay, I should be in focus now. Wow, technical difficulties the past few streams, guys. I am sorry about that. But yes, this video is going to be huge. I think it's gonna be a breakthrough video for a lot of you. It gets you guys, you know, up to par on, you know, just getting in and entering trades. If you're a little nervous about getting into trades, I think, okay, we are in focus. Nice. I think it's gonna be a really big video. It's also going to be the video you have to watch, watch, and comment on to be entered into the contest to get on a one-on-one 15-minute call with me. We could jump on Zoom. I almost said Scoom. I don't know why. I was going to say Skype and Zoom. So you guys, we could hop on Scoom and a quick little Scoom call. And, you know, if you have any questions, things that maybe I wasn't able to answer for you on the stream, or you have a question about a video, you know, sometimes it's just, you got to ask a question that isn't clarified in a video. I know the feeling. So if you want to ask some questions, you just want to chat crypto, you want to talk about cars, I love cars, you want to talk about working out, whatever it is. If you guys want to chat and hang out and just kick it for 15 minutes, it'll be fun no matter what. Yeah, you got to watch, and comment on the video. You also have to be a subscriber to get into that contest. And yeah, so we're looking at Bitcoin. I'm gonna let you guys know where that short was and why I was gonna enter it and how you could have seen it. And yeah, we're gonna take a look at the markets. Obsessions, I don't know if Obsessions 2024 is in here. They won our Cardano NFT giveaway. I am in the works with Tyler to get you a NAMI wallet, and he's gonna give me your address, and I'm gonna send the NFT straight to you. So yeah, really good stuff. I think the video that divergence. I don't want to tease too much here, but that video is going to be out tomorrow, probably between 11 and 12 in the afternoon. And guys, you know, we spun the wheel the other day and we landed on weekend stream. Right now, you could argue, right, that night that we landed on that, I wound up going live at 12 midnight to 2 in the morning. So that could have really constituted for that extra stream, but I think we're gonna go live this weekend. Hopefully Bitcoin's doing something. If not, maybe we'll just hop on and back test a strategy or something. So I'm definitely gonna try to get on this weekend for the weekend stream. And hey, who knows, maybe DZ will join, you know, maybe Brian from Meta Money. You never know who's gonna pop up. Maybe TJ will stop by, who knows? But it's going to be a lot of fun. The weekend streams, I think we could kind of, you know, just figure out what we want to do. It doesn't have to go right by the exact format we do here. You know, we can, you know, change it up a little bit, have some fun. Hey, it's the weekend anyway, right? So let me just pull up my chart here. There we are. Okay. And let's go ahead and get into it. Let me share my screen. 134 people in here. 85 likes. Guys, I'm missing something. You guys notice something missing? Boom, there it is. We're missing the wheel this whole time. Okay, wheel down, guys. So I do think that we have one of our mods, Tony, is actually going to build us a custom wheel, and he's going to ship it out here. And he said he guarantees. We're on the wrong screen here. Hang on 1 second, guys. Okay, you guys should be able to see my screen now. Sorry for all the technical difficulties. I'm gonna wait real quick just to see if my chart pops up here so I know that we're looking at my chart. But yeah, Tony said he's sending a new wheel, custom made. Maybe he'll do something cool with the Frankie Candles brand. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool, and he guarantees that it will have the most satisfying clicking noise that anyone's ever heard. So very, very, very pumped for that. So here we are on, this is XRP. We don't want this. We don't want XRP. All right, let's go over to Bitcoin, right? Coming in at 39.2, right, guys? So we dumped, right? We caught this short, right? We caught this short basically all the way down. We called it on the stream. Hopefully you guys got in there. And you know, never financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know. I just let you guys know that it was a juicy short entry. And you know, what you guys do on your own time is up to you. But then we had this very, very nice bounce. I don't think anybody was expecting us to come up this high. As you guys know, let me just come over here and, oh no, guys, our spider lines are gone. We're gonna have to draw some new spider lines, but that's okay. Maybe it'll be a refresher for you guys. But I don't think anybody, I don't think anybody really expected us to bounce that hard and come all the way up to where we came to. So let me just draw these spider lines real quick. Okay, we are on the right account. Let me just make sure. Okay. So yeah, I don't think anyone expected us to jump up that quick. But real quick before we get into it, let's draw some spider lines, guys. So let's see here. Where are we? Where are we? Okay. So here we are. This is where I usually draw my spider lines from. Whoops. So my first one is usually on this candle right here. And I'm just gonna draw these fast. So I'm gonna turn on my magnet tool. And then we're just gonna go boom, boom. And we're gonna lock it. And oh, actually, sorry. We're gonna be on log, ray, and we're gonna go boom, boom, lock it. That's important, guys. You need to lock them, right? We're gonna go boom, boom, lock it. And we're just gonna draw just a few here. I think this might be a good refresher for anybody that you know, hasn't seen the spider line video or just needs to, you know, sometimes it just helps to see somebody else do it to assure that you're doing it the right way. Lock it up, and then we'll go from here. Boom, lock it. We'll do a couple more. Ray, boom, boom, lock it, boom, boom, lock it, boom. Okay, so let's see where those fall. Hopefully that's, okay, cool. Perfect, perfect, guys. We got the ones that we needed. Okay, so yeah. What are we? Okay, we're on the daily, boom. All right, why are these different? Okay, well, let me delete this. Boom, look at that, perfect. Get rid of these lines here. Okay, so like I was saying, we caught this short, right? Let me come down to the 2 hours so we could see a little better, right? So we caught this short down, boom. I was expecting a bounce. I did say that. I said when we come down to the spider line, I do expect a bounce. I don't know if anybody was expecting this giant bounce that we had, right? From the bottom, I mean, we're up 15%. So I was not expecting that, to be honest. I was expecting maybe for a little scalp long, but I was not expecting a move like this. So we are currently, wow, man, I gotta get a different account. I don't know why my lines keep getting deleted, but let me just draw a couple of lines here at 40,000. Boom, right there, 40,020, close enough. And then let's come down to the 1 hour real quick. 39 about, no, we don't want dictation. All right, about 39, right about here, 39,650. Boom. Okay. And then let me draw one more right here. Okay. Boom. All right. These are rough, guys. I'm sorry. My original lines got deleted, and I don't want to take up too much time doing this. But yeah, so basically, guys, let me pull up Market Cipher B. Okay. So let's start on the weekly, right? So we are starting to, people are starting to feel a little bit bullish, right? People are starting to feel like, oh baby, we came up, right? We had that big relief rally off of that dump from the other day, off of that Russian-Ukraine stuff. And people are starting to feel a little bullish, right? People are like, oh my God, is the bull run back on? Is the bull run back on? I'm not quite ready to call the bull run being back on just yet. You have to remember, I will say this. Let's take a look at these lower time frames. Now, the lower time frames, oh, and also my money flow is off. Let's turn that back on. Okay. So, these lower time frames are not looking the worst, right? We had a money flow crossover on the 2-hour, definitely decently bullish, right? VWAP coming up, ready to cross over that 0 line, probably going to print a green dot right here. Could come up more, right? This is the level I'm looking for. If we could crack 40K, and if we can get past both of these lines, but if we crack 40K, it's gonna start looking a little more bullish. But I do want to caution you with this. And now, obviously, the thumbnail, you guys saw it. Is it time to buy? Right? That's what everybody wants to know. We're so low. Is it time to buy? I want you guys to remember the weekly. Right? The longer time frames are still looking garbo, okay? They are looking like trash. This weekly has got me feeling very, 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 hasn't got me feeling good, guys. Like we went over this, we went over this last time. We went over this yesterday, I think. This is, we actually gone over it a couple times. This is 2017 bull market, right? We're coming down, right? We're coming down. Price is following. Price is coming down. We cross into the red, and then boom, we got another massive drop, and that was the deep pits of the bear market right there. Okay, so this is looking very similar, right? It looks like that green wave really wants to come down into the red, right? That's not to say that we can't dip into the red and then launch back out. It's not impossible, but this is looking very, very similar to the last bear market. So, keep that in mind if you're thinking about scooping up all these cheap altcoins. I will say this, it's not a horrible, I will say this. I don't think it's a horrible time to DCA into Bitcoin, right? Dollar cost average, not dump all your money in right now. I'm saying put a little bit in today, put a little bit in tomorrow. No matter what the price is, if we pump a little bit tomorrow, buy a little bit. If we dump the next day, buy a little bit. If we go down lower the next day, buy a little bit. It's not the worst time to start dollar cost averaging out, right? 37, we're at 37.9, like a $38,000 Bitcoin is not that bad, right? And then if you dollar cost average, if we keep dipping lower, you can just put more in and get a lower average buy-in cost as the price comes down. So not the worst time to start dollar cost averaging in, right? And then if we wind up ripping up to 100K, like some people think, then that's great. Then you've been accumulating a little more. Guys, today's energy brought to you by a little bit of black coffee. That's good stuff. Okay. So yeah, not a horrible time to start DCAing. Even if we keep coming down, just buy a little bit more. But just remember, this is looking very bearish. This is a very, very bearish weekly chart, okay? I'm just going to say it right there. Even if we could pump up a little more, right? Like I was saying, before I get into that, let's look at the 3-day. Let's turn on Market Cipher A, bada boom. We still have that red blood diamond, right, on the 3-day, I'm sorry. This has the power to bring us down, right? We did get this nice bounce off of this spider line. But as you can see, we got some nice bounces off spider lines after this one too, and we continued to come down. So just keep an eye on this. This is also very, very bearish. A 3-day chart is a pretty long time frame. These could play out. This one brought us down 50%. This one could bring us down the same possibly. So keep that in mind, right? Coming down to the 2-day, VWAP starting to curve up. Daily money flow looked like it's starting to round out, right? Starting to round out. At least we're not coming down. It's starting to flatten. We could see it come up. Daily VWAP coming up. This could bring us, this could bring price up a tad. But just don't forget about those high time frames are looking very, very bearish. So don't forget about that. It's not like we just had this pump and then, it's off to the races right away. So just keep that in mind. So, but now, like I said, I think we could come up a little bit in the short term. Let's check the lower time frames here. Yeah, I mean, we're in the green. 45-minute coming into the green, I believe. Yep, money flow flattening out on the 1 hour a bit, but 2 hour money flow, right, guys? So these money flow crossovers are pretty powerful, right? This is kind of like just on a basic level, you can see, right? We're in the red here. We crossed over into the green, and then look at the move that we got, right? Boom. We got that giant move to the upside, right? And then we came down. We came down quite a bit. And then look at that. Right as we cross over again from the red money flow into the green, maybe not quite just on the, the crossover was right about here. So we did come up, but a lot of times I will say, I know I say you don't want to front run indicators, right? You don't want to front run stuff, but I will say you can usually get a little bit of a better entry. Sometimes, like I know, like as it's starting to come up, like you could enter like right here or like right here just to get in a little earlier. Because even if you do get rejected, right? We were coming up here, you could have tried to front run it and you would have gotten blasted. You would have gotten absolutely wrecked, right? But if you held the trade and you didn't get liquidated, if you held it, you typically, just generally this money flow is still coming up, right? So if you front run money flow a little bit, typically if you get it close enough to where you're curving up to the zero line, even if you curve back down, you usually wind up coming up. So if you're gonna front run anything, if I ever front run anything, it's usually the money flow by a little bit. I never front run VWAP really. But yeah, you have the, we came down a little bit. This is sometimes a powerful move, right? When you come down just a little bit with the VWAP and you don't come deep in under the zero line, this is kind of indicating that we came down, right? And it just wants to go back up. So maybe this is what could push us over 40K. In my opinion, that would be very, very, very bullish. But yeah, I'm not as bearish as I was in the previous streams, but still definitely leaning bearish. But with that being said, right, I had mentioned this, right? This relief rally from this giant first dump that we had was not really what I was looking for. I was saying I thought this relief rally could bring us up into the, 48 to 52K range. Some people are calling for 60, 62. So I was expecting this to come up a bit more. So it could be possible that we get a nice bounce off of this spider line for our, full relief rally, in which case I would expect it to, if you guys, let me turn off Market Cipher A. If you guys remember, I was mentioning that Blockchain Backer was talking about how in all the other cycles, we did have a correct or a relief rally to, let me pull this, boom. We typically get this relief rally on these bull runs, right? We usually come back up and, come up to at least this 786 level before coming down. And, if we come back, let's go back to 2017. There's those random lines that we love so much on this channel. So here is the 2017 top, right? If we pull a fib on this, oh my God, that is annoying. Okay. Boom, all the way to here. You will see that, right? We had a huge dump, came up a little bit, another dump, and then we retraced back to this 786 level, right? So we came up, wicked all the way down here, came back up, and then wicked down again, made a higher low, and then wicked back up to this 786 level. So can we see that, right? And I did this on the last stream too. If you come all the way back to 2014, where are we? 2013, we got to go back a little more. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, boom, right here. Okay, so where are we? This is this? Yeah, right here. So if you pull a fib from right here, boom, is it? Yeah, I think it's right here. Okay. And now if you zoom in, right, you came up in this parabolic move. Oh God, look at this first. Look at that run, that's insane. But yeah, so you come up, right, we came all the way down and then we relief rallied right back up to the 786 level. So does that mean that we have to see that for this run? No, not at all. But I was kind of expecting it to come a little higher than this. So, you know, we're going to have to see what happens. It is possible that we get the bounce off this spider line and come up, you know. So, and then look at that. This 786 level is about 61K, which some people are calling for. I'm a little more conservative at about 48 to 52-ish. You know, maybe we come up to the golden pocket and then reject. But we're in a bit of a weird cycle here, guys. So, you know, a little less predictable this time. So just wanted to point that out. I think maybe we could get our actual relief rally after this point, right? Because this was kind of because of the Black Swan event happening in Russia, or not in Russia, but with Russia and the Ukraine. So I'm definitely keeping a keen eye on this level for a, you know, a big old bounce. All right, let's check chat here real quick. I feel like I've been neglecting you guys. Had a little bit of a weird start to the stream here today. Technical difficulties, internet problems, you know, just really going through the technical difficulties today. But let's just check in real quick. Milera, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Jonathan Schaefer, welcome. Crypto Billy, JSN, past, present, and future G says, I'm here. So are we. Let's go. Happy to have you here. Tomek, welcome. Carlo D. Leon, welcome back to the stream. Captain Kirk, thank you for being here as always. Thank you, Tyler Durden, for being here. Our wonderful mods. I think Tony D is in here as well. Thank you very much. Chadwick, welcome. Karen, welcome. Chris, John, Scott, Biomex, welcome. What is going on, Biomex? Chris Weeks, welcome back. Ammo, Eddie, Crypto Ellie, Crypto Benz, Ryan, Chaz, Matt, I might have said hi to you already, but welcome everybody. Sorry for the technical difficulties in the beginning of the stream. Let's see, should we buy now or Nick? So I kind of just answered that question. I would be cautious, but maybe not the worst time to start dollar cost averaging, because even if we dump down to 20K to retest the last all-time high, you know, you're just dollar cost averaging in. Like, this is a pretty good price to begin your dollar cost average. You know, ideally, you would like to wait all the way, you know, until you get to the bottom, but it's hard to call the bottom. So, you know, 38K Bitcoin, not too bad. About some Atom charts, CryptoBilly, we could take a look at Atom, not a problem. Chuck Smith says, Frank the Tank. What's going on, Chuck? Memphis Nick says, hey, Frankie, put me in, coach. Ron says, put me in, coach. All right, you're tagged in. Neil, what is going on? Welcome back. Let's see. Great to be here, Crypto Benz. Happy to see you. EMS, welcome back. Everybody give it up for EMS, one of the OGs of the channel here. Let's see. Shiba is a useless project. I got brainwashed into buying it. Matt T, no problem, man. You know, not to say you can't make money with SHIB. We talked about this yesterday. Not that you can't make money with it. You could totally make money with SHIB. There's just no use case. But hey, there's really no use case with Doge either. And look at Doge. Doge comes back every cycle. So, yo, let's get the knowledge. Abel Matthew, you are gonna get the knowledge, baby. Let's go. Let's see. More likes for the bank. Oh, more like Frank the Bank. Yeah, let's go. I like that. Frank the Bank. Frank the Bank. Let's get it. Thanks, Frankie. I've been DCA since the first big dump at 33. I'm down a little, but back to close to even. Nice. True 1LA. Nice. Good job. Good job. Danny Murphy says, what up, Frankie? You the man. Love the stream. Hey, Danny, you the man. I like your viewing. Let's see. Once I got into profit with my Doge, selling them all, I'm 3 cents away from breaking even. Nice, Matt. Nice. But hey, these meme coins, SHIB, Doge, it gets new people into crypto. That's why I do like these meme coins. They do get the new people into crypto, so you got to support that. Let's see. It's my birthday today. Hold up. It's my birthday today and have to run to dinner party. Every day is a party for me here though. James M. Happy birthday, James. Guys, happy birthday to James in the chat. Thank you for being a watcher, dude. happy birthday. I don't know if you're turning 15, 16, 32, 72, or 100, but happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day, man. And enjoy your dinner. Don't worry about us. You watch the replay. Don't worry about us. Go. Have fun, man. I need to change my name here and start using my crypto name. Barry Harris. What is your crypto name? Let's see it. MC Crypto in the house. What is up, MC Crypto? Thank you for being here. Pattern don't repeat. Yeah, yes. John Franco. Patterns do not always repeat themselves, right? I say this all the time. It does not mean that we have to go up to that 786 level. It does not mean that at all. But history does repeat itself, or at least rhyme a lot of the time. So you just got to keep it open as an option, right? You just have to be able to, sit there and think like there's a possibility we come up. But like I said, I am really leaning much more bearish than I am bullish. But just keep in mind, it wouldn't be impossible for us to bounce off this spider line and come up a little higher for that relief rally. But John Franco, very, very good point. Nick Harmat said, hated you at first. Love you now, Frankie. Hey, Nick, I appreciate that, man. No problem. Hey, you know what? You gotta appreciate the honesty. And hey, we wound up on the good side. You wound up loving me. So hey, let's go. I appreciate that, Nick. And welcome to the stream. Stick around. We're learning, I'm helping you guys learn how to trade in bullish markets, bearish markets, and people are making money. We are the money making channel here, and so stick around for some real good info. BJ says you get some sleep, Frankie, because we did have that 2 a.m. stream the other day during the dump, right? Who else was live? I don't know. Maybe other people were live at 2 a.m., but who else comes to you live, right? Everyone's panicking. Everybody's scared. Frankie Candles had your back, coming on super late from the home office and letting you guys know what we thought. What I thought about the price and where we were going to go. We were looking at that exact spider line and we got a perfect bounce off of it. So super happy about that. But you know what? I actually didn't get too much sleep last night. I'm still running a little low on the sleep, but Monday or maybe tomorrow, we come back for that weekend stream, full of energy, back to 100%, but I am feeling a little tired, not going to lie, but I will get some sleep tonight. Don't worry. Matt T says, hey, March 3rd is my birthday. You going to be streaming? I don't know what day March 3rd is, but if it's Monday through Friday, probably. Probably going to be streaming on your birthday. So, looking forward to that. Okay, let's see. What time frame would you suggest trading when you have a full-time job and can't watch the charts? VSlim, great question. I would recommend trading the longer time frames, right? We talked about this yesterday. Let's play it out here. Right? So if you are trading the 4 hour, right? Let's pull up Market Cipher B. I'll try to find a legitimate setup that maybe we would have actually traded. Boom, right here. Okay. We're going to look at a divergence here, right? From right here, guys, a divergence is, I'm going to kind of explain it right now, but I'm just going to draw it out real quick, right? Divergence is when you have price, right, making a higher high, right? So you're making a high here and a higher high there, right? I'm sorry. We're right. We're correct. So you're getting a higher high. So you got a high here, higher high there, right? And then you have on your indicator or your momentum waves on Market Cipher B, you want to go from, you want to see a high and then a lower high, right? So I always talk about this. You have one line going up and one line coming down, creating that alligator mouth that we look for. And that is a bearish divergence. And, this is perfect because I actually wanted to tease this a little bit because the video that's coming out tomorrow, but this is perfect. So there you go. So say you're trading, right? And you see this, we'll just pretend that none of this price action happened, right? But you're seeing like, okay, look at this. We got a line coming up, higher high over here, lower high over here. That's a bearish divergence. So you take the trade and then boom, you come down, right? Look at that. Bearish divergence, boom, you come straight down. And, if you took that trade, from, about here to there, 7%, guys, with 10x leverage is 70% profit on that trade. But I'm going to answer your question right now. Let's say you got in on this candle, right? And then you got out when you came down and touched this spider line right here. Now that's a 3-day trade. Now the reason this is good if you have a full-time job is because You could get into a trade on the 4-hour, right? And you enter, and you're only printing one of these candles every 4 hours, right? So it's not like, so in order to get like a decent move on the 4-hour, you're gonna have to wait a little bit. In this example, 3 days and 8 hours. So this way you could kind of just enter the trade, and you have some time to go about your business, and then you can check your phone, once a day, or twice a day, 3 days, however many times you want to look at the charts. But on contrary to that, if you wanted to trade the 1 minute, let's go ahead and see if we trade the 1 minute. Let's see. Not quite a bullish divergence here, but you do have momentum coming up. I don't believe. I guess, yeah. So you did slightly. Now, this is a bullish divergence where you have momentum making a low and then a higher low, and then you have price, right here making a low and then a lower low, right? So you want a low and a lower low, and then a low and a higher low, right? So now you're making a pinch point, not the alligator mouth, the opposite, a pinch point. This is usually very bullish, and you can expect a move to the upside. Now, let's say you entered this trade, right? And let's say you came from, this is a decent move, right? So say you traded it all the way up. Now you're on the lower time frame, so this looks like a big move, but it wasn't that much. It was only a 1.43% move. 10x leverage, that's a 10%. That's the beautiful thing about leverage, guys. These little moves happen all the time. But if you put, say 10x leverage on something, it makes that 1% move a 10% move. But yeah, so how long did this take? This took 18 minutes. So if you were, in this trade, you'd have to keep looking at your phone. And if you waited 18 minutes, you would have looked at your phone while you were down here, and you would have been down. So, you definitely want to trade the longer time frames, maybe the 4-hour, maybe the 1 hour, whatever kind of time you have. I don't know, but the longer the time frame, the longer the plays take to play out. So I hope that answers your question. All right, let's see. Let's just get a quick bing bong. We're getting the sound, guys. We're getting the sound effects in here. Maybe we can get them on the weekend stream. I'll try to set them up. The Biomech says, love the hashtag value, hashtag bing bong. Let's go. Do the like smash. Jimmy Void, Jimmy Two Shoes in chat. Welcome back, my man. Appreciate you being here. He is in every single stream. I love that. I appreciate you. That's a 3-day trade. This one, I think it's 18 minutes. You're talking about on the 4-hour. Yeah, the 4-hour was a much longer trade. Cobra Kai says, these days I watch the 15-minute. I'm a big fan of the 15-minute. I like scalping the 15-minute. I think it's a perfect mixture of, not always having to stare at the chart constantly. The plays take a little bit to play out. So I think it's a perfect mixture of percentage gain, right? If you longed off of this support. Or whatever, like let's say you longed this move, right? So you're in the trade for, let's say you longed it from here and you wrote it up to here. You're in the trade for 3 hours, and it is about a 2% move, so you can get 20% on that. I like the 15-minute a lot. 15-minute divergences are perfect. On that note, let me let you guys know the short that I was looking for to take today that I wound up missing because I was recording that wonderful tutorial video for you guys. But so here we go. We came up and we tested this resistance, right? And then we came down and then we came back up, right? So you have a momentum wave coming down like this. And so you'll see here, price actually didn't make an actual higher high. As you can see, like this is actually making a lower high. So this wouldn't qualify as a legitimate bearish divergence, but these play out a lot, right? So and we were coming up to resistance, right? So we came up to test that resistance one more time. So I was expecting it to come down, especially because momentum was coming down, right? So I'm seeing momentum come out, and I'm seeing that we're coming up to resistance for the second time. That's how I was able to assume that we were coming down. Also, VWAP was coming down. Money flow is starting to curve down just a little bit there. But that was the move that I was looking for. And we're going to go into that a little bit. It would have been a nice 2% gain. Whatever, you missed some of them, no big deal. But that's the fun thing about divergences. I don't want to go too much into this because the video is coming out. There's a lot of good information in there. But if you look at this, right, you could find these, just the divergences in the momentum waves can work out really well, even if the price isn't making the higher high or the lower low, whether it's bearish or bullish divergence that you need. Even if you're just looking at these waves, a lot of times it plays out, right? So let's take a look. Let's take a look. So let's try to find a bullish one, right? So we're looking for a big, we're looking for a big hump on market cipher B, and we're looking for a little hump after the big hump. These are kind of weird. So we're just going to scroll back. Let's see. Let's see. Well, I guess we could find a bearish one. So you could see here to here. I guess that was actually a higher high, so that was a legitimate one. So, gee willikers. Okay, let's try to find one here. Okay, did we make a lower low here? Why is my mouse being so funky? I got a funky mouse, guys. I got a funky mouse. Okay. Okay, so here you go. Right here, right? You have boom, boom. So you have momentum coming up. But I don't believe we made a lower low here, right? So you're looking at this candle. Oh, I guess it was a lower low. Okay. Well, just so you guys know, I explain it in the video. I had examples pulled up so you can see it a little clearer. You don't always have to have the price action doing the specific thing that you need it to do. Sometimes you can just see that there's a divergence in the, like right here, we made a lower low there. Wow. Okay. So we're finding all the divergences today. But yeah, really what you're looking for here, let's go to XRP. I think I saw a bunch of them on XRP earlier today. XRP, boom. Okay, so, all right. Can you guys tell I'm using a different mouse today? This mouse is garbage. Anyway, so here you go. Okay, that's an actual divergence too. Wow, you know, I can never find the real divergences when I'm looking for them for the video, but you know, anytime I'm trying to find ones that aren't perfectly set up, I can't find them. All right, all I do is find the real ones. Okay, here's a good example. Okay, all right, so look at this. You have, you know, we can go from here to here, right? So right here, you have your low, right? I guess it's a lower low too. All right, well, bottom line is, in the video, I explain it and I show some really good examples. Really, all you need a lot of the time is if it's just you have a big momentum wave and a small momentum wave. Finally, here's one. Okay, so right here to there, right, and then you can see we actually made a if we come to this candle, we did make a. Is that wick? Yeah. So technically, this was not a lower low, but still, at the end, you want to go from momentum wave low to the higher low, and then you go straight up. That's where you would enter, and you came up, right? So that's all you're looking for. You're looking for an anchor wave, right? CryptoFace calls these anchor waves, and this is a trigger wave, right? You can't. It's covered up by the money flow just a little bit there, but it's just a little wave right here. So you got a big wave and then a little wave, and the big wave comes down low, and the little wave comes up a little higher. So you got a low here, higher low here. And if you cross over this white -60 line right here, that typically makes for a pretty strong move as well. But if you have the price doing exactly what you need, as well as having the divergence down here, you could expect a much bigger move. So I'm sorry, I feel like that was a long, drawn-out, confusing explanation, but not to worry, the video will be coming out tomorrow, and I explain it very well in that video very clearly. So yeah, XRP taking off. All right, look at that. What is this little pumpski here? Little 7% in the past 5 hours. Let's go. All right, let's check chat real quick. Thank you all. By the way, I'm celebrating the anniversary of my ... let's say 21st birthday. Lol. I'll watch the stream later. Take care. James, enjoy your birthday. Have a good one. I hope it's a good one for you, man. Love the hashtag value. Hashtag bing bong. Let's go Biomex. Okay, let's see. What about day trading with the divergences? Yes, that is yes. What about it? Very nice. Very nice. JW Gaming says, what do you think of Alchemy Pay? I don't really know much about it, so I don't really want to give you any like bad opinions because I don't really know. I'm not really that familiar. Cobra Kai, these days I watch a 15 minute. We already read that. Okay, I'm up in chat. Okay, BTC finishing a W formation possibly. By the way, can you please touch on that, Frankie? Daily chart starting at starting at top of candle from January. Let's take a look. Okay, you said on the daily chart. Okay, let's come back over to Bitcoin, to the daily. Bada boom. Fix that. This mouse is horrible. It's actually making me kind of agitated. Okay, let's see. Can you please? Okay, finishing a W possibly. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I guess this is what you're talking about right here. The boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I mean, we'll have to see, right? Let's come down to the 1 hour and just kind of see what we're up against right now. There's the random lines, guys. There's the random lines. I wish I gotta find if there's a hotkey to just switch to your little grabby tool here. But let's see. So yeah, we're coming back up to this this resistance right here, right? So what is this? This is 39,650 about. Yeah, if we can break this and bust through 40K, guys, I will start feeling very, very bullish. This is what, you know, and then maybe we could see something happen on the weekly where maybe we see the VWAP starting to curve up like it wants to come back over the zero line. But really what on the weekly, what's freaking me out is this money flow. This is just not good. But hey, you know, if we come back down to 20K, you know, where's 20K? Like right here. We're not that far away, right? So it wouldn't really feel that devastating, right? We already came down this much. This is probably like 50, about 55%. We already came down. We already had like, you know, half or yeah, about 50%. You know, we already had most of the blood, a lot of the blood play out. Let's see what would from, you know, from this to 20K would be, you know, we already came down most of the way. So, you know, if we came down another, you know, another, yeah, we're about halfway down to 50K. So halfway down to 20K. So we'll have to see what happens. We'll have to see what happens. You can use Frankie's info to super zoom out, see the future of what's long-term good, in my opinion. Law channel useful for hodlers too. Eddie, I appreciate that. Yes. Speaking of that, guys, I did kind of want to touch on, let me just take a little sip of my coffee here. Yes. Anyway, yeah. So I did kind of want to touch on because listen, we are traders here. We make money going up or down, but you know, there is I do want to kind of touch on you know, hodl strategies as well, just in general. That's why I was mentioning it's not a bad time to start DCAing. You know, in at these prices. If this is the highest price that you DCA in, it's not going to be the worst thing in the world, but you know, anytime you're in the, you know, in the red on the weekly, you can assume, right? Like right here, like let's zoom in here, right? So this is the bear market of, you know, 2018. And as you can see, like right as we crossed into the red in the with the money flow down here, right as we crossed down into the red is when we saw the giant dump into the deep, deep, deep bear market, right? So this would have been the best time to buy right here, right? This is the lowest chance. This is the lowest prices you could have gotten before, you know, before we, you know, came back up for the next cycle, right? So if we come into the red, right, even here we came not as deep into the red, but we came into the red a little bit here. You know, this would have been a decent time to buy before, not as good as the bottom of the bear market, but it would have been a decent time to buy before we had this parabolic run up right here. And also, if you come, like, if we come down, right, if money flow comes down, right, and we come in deep into the red, this is when you want to buy. Deep in the red on the weekly is the best time to buy, in my opinion, right? Because if you look here, that was literally the best time to buy, you know, and then I'm sure, let's come back, random line again. Guys, we love those random lines. So if we come over to this area, right, look at this. We're in the red again on the weekly. This would have been your best time to buy before the next cycle. So, you know, anytime you're in the red, deep in the red on the weekly, probably a good time to buy. And right now we're getting pretty close to crossing over. So just keep an eye on that. Also, in my video, in the divergence video, I do touch on how you can trade using the divergences without Market Cipher B. I forgot to tell you that. I know not everybody has the money to buy Market Cipher. As good as it is, as amazing as Market Cipher is, not, sometimes the reality of it is not everyone has the money to spend on it. It's expensive for a good reason. It's very good. But if you don't have the money, I do give you, at the end of the video, I give you a nice alternative that you can use the same exact strategy without using Market Cipher B. So I threw that in there for anyone who doesn't have Market Cipher B. I know a lot of people don't have it. I see it in the chat all the time. Folks want to know about stop loss strategies. That's probably going to be one of our next videos coming out, right? To be honest, it probably should have put out a risk management video before the divergence video, but it'll be one of the next ones coming up very, very soon. That is on the top of my list because that's obviously very important. Let's see. I always get FOMO on trades I make with smaller parts of my bag and need to stop putting more money in after it's already pumping, like right now. Kevin, yes, listen, don't get discouraged. If you can't stop yourself from FOMOing in, you got to learn through experience sometimes, right? A lot of people do. I know when I was just starting out, I had to learn through experience, but I wouldn't just it's hard to not FOMO in, right? Because you're like, every time there's a pump, like yesterday when we were pumping, everyone was coming up to me like, Frankie, what's going on? Like, what's up with the charts? Like everyone in the office is like, is this a rip to 100K? Or, I have friends texting me, is this going to be the rip to 100K? And I'm like, you guys really want to FOMO into this pump? Don't do it. You're going to come down, right? You're always going to correct at some point. How long that's going to take obviously is going to vary, but let's take a look, right? Let's say you FOMO'd into this trade right here, right? And then you came up a little more, then you came down. So you did come up, right? But eventually, you might correct back down. It's never a good idea, right? Even like here, right? Like you see it move, you're on a move up. Let's say this is the 1 hour, so this would look a little more dramatic on the, yeah. So where are we? Okay, yeah, no. It's hard to find a really good example, but like, if you're dumping here, right, you come down, you're seeing all the yellow X's on Market Cipher A and all that, and you FOMO in here, and you're like, I think this is the bear market. We're going to go down to 20K, and you short it, and then boom, you get wrecked. So just never a good idea to FOMO, but that's okay. You got to learn through experience. Sometimes the best way to learn. So my advice for not FOMOing into trades would be just, you gotta, it's hard to say, but like, you just got to let it go. Just understand that you're going to get another pump, especially if you're leverage trading, right? You're going to get another pump. You're going to get another dump. You can trade these small moves, so don't worry about it. Like when I was looking at this move, right, on the 15-minute, when we came up and tested this again, I wanted to short, right? And I missed it. And now when I looked at it, right, when I saw that we started moving down, when I looked at it and had a chance to enter, we were probably like, I'd say about maybe a little more than halfway down, right? We were probably here, and I was like, I don't know how low it's gonna go. You could FOMO in here, but at that point, you're only getting, it's almost a 1% move. You probably could have, if FOMOing in that case might have worked out, but I just, I saw it like down here, and I was like, it might go to it's probably gonna go to the bottom of this little channel here, but I just let it go. I know I could have entered and got to the bottom of the channel. I was expecting to come down here. I was pretty confident we would come back down to bounce here, but I just let it go. Just practice letting it go. Kind of hard. I know it's easier said than done, but don't let it discourage you. Just keep hacking away. A really good sauce takes a long time to cook. Eddie, absolutely. Let's see. Hashtag knowledge, hashtag value. Bronx Bitcoin Bulls, Jimmy Void, Dom Bricklayer. Let's go. Let's see. Got to get back to work. I'll watch the rest later. Have a good weekend. V Slim, thank you for being here. We'll see you later. Let's see. What's good, Frankie? Wishing I took the sand trade yesterday, but don't want to FOMO in now. What time frame should I be looking at while being aware of the weekly? Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at sand. Oh, we are not on crypto. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at sand. All right, so I assume this is the move you're talking about. So yeah, I don't know if you're talking about wishing I took the sand trade. So this is a perfect example, right? Can you continue to come up here? Absolutely, you can. But this is in my opinion and with my strategy, this is too much green to see to FOMO into a long. You're bound to get a rejection, right? And you are coming up to this level right here where you are getting a bit of resistance, right? So you can expect that you're gonna come down a little bit. You've already bounced off this level a little bit. Let's come down to a lower time frame, right? So yeah, so you're coming up, you're gonna reject here. It's probably gonna retrace a bit. So I would not be FOMOing into that trade either. But as far as what time frame should you be looking at with the longer time frames in mind, I would just I watch the longer time frames. You know, when I say it's not a bad time to DCA, I am talking about Bitcoin. I would be pretty careful buying alts right now. Just my 2 cents. Let's see. Mr. Aliel, I always mess up your name, but what's going on, man? Welcome back. Keep it up, bro. Thank you, ZXs. I appreciate that. Guys, smash the like button. We already almost got 200 likes. Let's go. We're going to be spinning the wheel tonight. Every 100 likes, you get, or we get, you get a spin on the wheel. So if you want to see me do some crazy challenges, or if you want a chance to win a giveaway or hear me do some weird ASMR, we do have empty spots on this wheel, guys. So if you have any ideas to fill in this wheel, let me know in chat, and hopefully one of the mods can grab those and save them for the end of the stream so I can add them. Let's see. Shout out to your boy coming all the way from the Bronx. Let's go. We love the boogie down Bronx around here. Let's see. Crypto Anon, what's going on? He says LFG. Let's see here. Brig Brother, take a look at Quant when you get a chance. All right, QNT, let's check it out. I think it's Quant. Now, guys, a lot of I say this every single stream, a lot of the alts are going to look the same, and, you know, they're going to follow Bitcoin, right? So, you know, it's hard to say, you know, some alts obviously have different setups, and, you know, sometimes Bitcoin dumps and, you know, Luna will pump or something, or Atom will pump, Dot will pump. But for the most part, you know, if Bitcoin's looking bearish, the altcoins you should be staying. If you're not looking at buying Bitcoin and you think Bitcoin looks bearish, you stay the heck away from the alts. But let's see here. Let's take a look. Let's start on the daily. There you go. That was a normal sip for you guys. All right, let's see. Bing bang, bing bang, bing bang. Okay. So on the daily, right? So here's an example of those divergences, right? Where you have, oh my God, this mouse is a nightmare. Okay, so you have this line right here, right? You have the small, big wave, smaller wave, right? This is the daily. So, but you don't have price making a lower low. Ideally, for a bullish divergence, you would want this to have a lower low, right? So you could draw that downward line, but you don't have it. But this does usually indicate that you will have some move to the upside. It just wouldn't be as strong as if you had if this had come down to make a lower low. But you could still come down and make a lower low here, right? And then, you know, this can still come down a little bit and still be higher than this wave. And then you can draw your line, and then it would actually be a bullish divergence, and then you could trade that up. But let's see. Bada boom, bada boom. Yeah, I mean, daily looks basically the same as Bitcoin. Let's look at the 4 hour. In the red with the money flow. VWAP over the 0 line. Let's check the 1 hour. Wow, that VWAP does not want to go down. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Boom, that VWAP. That is a long-winded VWAP. But, you know, when you have money flow like this, kind of peeking into the green, coming back into the red, it looks like it's going to peek into the green again. That's basically just indicating more sideways action. So you might stay sideways a little bit. There's a random line. You might stay sideways a little bit on QNT. Let's check the lower time frames. In the green on you know, the money flow on the 10 minutes. Check the 15 minute. In the green, check the 30 minute. In the green. Yeah, I mean, the lower time frames don't look horrible, but, you know, just kind of macro bearish right now. So it's hard for me to see, you know, bullish. It's hard for me to you know, say that it'd be a good time to buy alts, or, but, you know, I mean, there's nothing on here that's making me scream, like, it's making me think like, oh, you know, oh my God, this thing's gonna rip to the moon, or this thing's gonna crash, you know, to the deep depths of, you know, I don't know, the dungeon. I don't know. I don't want to say any bad words on YouTube. But anyway, so here's another example of, you know, not really a bullish divergence technically, but this mouse. But you could see here, you do have, you know, boom, right? You have momentum coming up, right? You have a big wave and then a smaller wave. And then, but you didn't make a lower low here, so it's technically not a bullish divergence, but still, you go here to a smaller, to a higher low, you make that line, and then you come straight up, you would enter here, boom, you came up. And then here too, you know, you have, you printed a little wave right here. I know a lot of you guys watch Jason Casper's streams. I think he calls these uneven butt cheeks. So you got a big wave here and then a smaller wave here, and then you come straight up, you would enter here, and boom, you know, you came to the upside. So very powerful, guys. So keep an eye out for that divergence video. I drop a lot of good knowledge in there, and I think it could be a big breakthrough thing for you guys to get in and win some trades, and it'll raise your confidence. Right, let's see. All right, let's see. Can we get an update on Harmony 1, Frankie? Wow, you guys love Harmony 1. Yeah, let me take a look at it. So hard to keep up with chat here. All right, we'll take a look at Harmony 1. I have it written down on the screen, so I won't miss it. All right, let's see. A few questions to check out Harmony 1. Beautiful. Okay. Was thinking of shorting XRP at 7 p.m. May get a red dot. EMS, we'll take a look at XRP too. Shout out to your boy Frankie, a better mind. I always mess this up. A better mind for a better tomorrow. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. Shout out to you and a better mind. Let's see. Getting near 15 minutes till daily close, usually a time for price action. Cobra Kai, yeah, we will keep an eye on that. Smash it, share it, give it the people the sauce. I do have my sauce off camera right here. We're not gonna be drinking any. Guys, Ben, Mr. BitBoy Crypto himself, will be coming on next week. He couldn't come back on tonight. He's actually not in the office. They were shooting a documentary, but he will be coming on next week. To you know, make an appearance again to drink the sauce, because we had a little hiccup on the last stream and it didn't go live, so we couldn't you know, we couldn't get that done. But we went through a whole thing, it just didn't go live. So he's coming back next week, but he did request thinner sauce. He's not a big fan of the chunky tomatoes, so we're gonna have to get some new sauce for him. Frankie, how long did it take you to become profitable at trading? Time-wise, I don't know if I have an exact time. I will say I went through a learning curve just like everybody else. I was not profitable in the beginning. I had a lot of, let me try this, right? You know, in the beginning, I would think like, you know, I had to learn to not trade with my whole account. I had to learn risk management. I had to learn the trading psychology, right? My psychology was one of the biggest things that I had to really, really nail down. But once I started trading with a smaller amount of money, and risking money that I was able to lose, you know, it helped me get that emotion out. I think the hardest thing for traders, you know, at first is the trading psychology. Check out my trading psychology video if you have not watched it already. It is the most important video that I have on my channel, and it actually has the least amount of views, which makes sense. Everybody wants to see the strategies and indicators and all that, but it is the most expensive. It's the most expensive video on my channel, guys. But anyway, yeah, definitely check that out, because the trading psychology is the biggest thing you need to get down. You could be a genius at calling moves and seeing trading setups or seeing trade setups, and you could be the best at TA. If you got bad trading psychology, you're gonna get wrecked no matter what. You could be a fortune teller. You know, you could see into the future, and if your trading psychology is off, you're gonna lose. So just keep that in mind. All right, so let's take a look at Harmony. Okay, ooh, look at that, little pump ski, guys, look at that. Okay. You know, again, I'm just gonna point this out, just, you know, look at this. From here, boom. We didn't make a lower low, but if you came in, it would have been a nice little entry on this dip to continue up, right? So not an actual bullish divergence, but, you know, you see these, you know, that's usually a pretty good setup. Doesn't play out 100% of the time, like anything, but, you know, we've been finding a lot of them today. All right. So let's come to the daily. crossing into the red on the daily. Obviously, we had everything dumped like crazy, but not really seeing any strong curving up, which is kind of what I would like to see for a bullish scenario. Let's check out the 4-hour. Hey, it's so hard for me not to see the divergences now. I've been looking at them all day. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you're deep in the red, starting to curve up a little bit on the 4-hour. Let's check the 1-hour. You know, in the green. You know, kind of hard to say with the alts, guys, just because they're so dependent on Bitcoin's moves. I mean, Bitcoin is really what we need to be focusing on to see. Did that daily close yet? 9 minutes to close the daily. 9 minutes to close the daily, guys. It's going to happen live on stream. Let's go. What is the title of your trading psychology video? I believe it is trading psychology, trading mindset. Hang on. Let's see if we can pull it up. Let's go ahead and pull it up. Let's see your videos. Okay. It is called trading psychology. So it's called Best Way to Increase Profit Trading Psychology. So there you go. So definitely check that out. All right, let's see. Chat. We're gonna look at XRP. Okay. The old 100% button had me for months when I got started. Yeah, Chaz. I mean, you got to learn, right? Because like, I find it shocking, right? Because I quickly realized that I couldn't. I was like, oh, why did I trade with the whole account? Like I'm blowing up my whole account. And then it's crazy how many people are like, wait, you don't trade with your whole account? And I'm like, no way, dude, you can't trade with your whole account. Like what happens if you get liquid? And then like a lot of people trade their whole account with no stop loss. And I'm just like, you're asking to get wrecked. But yeah, up 15% with uncertainty. Nah, what's life without a little adventure? Hey, Alex, hey, some of us are adventurous. That's right. Do you like ICP? Not particularly like Insane Clown Posse? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, no, yeah, ICP. I mean, what is ICP doing? Yeah, I mean, did this thing ever go up like ever in the history of it? This thing just like dumped from launch, right? Yeah, I mean, yeah, no, I don't like ICP. This thing came out, I remember it was like big deal. Like everyone was all pumped about this and then it did nothing but just crash. Yeah, no, I mean, I don't not like it for a specific reason other than I just knew that it was just continuously crashing from, you know, the release. But yeah, no, I mean, I've never owned any. Let's see. Quick Matic. Yeah, we can look at XRP and Matic. Crypto Life is moving up, folks. Let's go. Crypto Lifer. No problem, Alex. Where's Tony D? I believe he's visiting family, so I think he's going to pop in and out. But we got Tyler Durden and Captain Kirk, both all-stars, and I appreciate everything you guys do. Just want to say that. Can we look at Aave up 12%? Aave, XRP, what was the other one? Was it AVAX? Oh, Matic. Okay, so Matic, XRP, and Aave. Yes, we can look at Aave. Let's take a look at Aave first, actually. Aave. I actually have a little bit of Aave. Scaling. What chart is this? Is this? Hang on. Hold up, guys. Let's look at the Coinbase chart. No. Trying to find a mature chart here. Yeah, I guess. Oh no, that's AVAX. Aave. Am I spelling this wrong? Yes, I am. Aave. Okay. Hang on. What's going on here? Yeah, it's AVV. That's why. Okay. Yeah, why is this not popping up? Ava. Hang on, I think I might have it here. Okay, guys, I think I'm back. Good God, guys. We are getting rug pulled by YouTube, like it seems like every 15 minutes. I don't know what's going on with the internet here. Hopefully you guys can see and hear me again. I see you guys trying to refresh, popping back in. I don't know what's going on, guys. We're in the New York Bagel Factory. I'm trying to count the sesame seeds so you guys don't have to. And we got these guys turning off the dang internet. Unbelievable. I'm getting, you know what? That's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm loading the bagel blaster here. I'm loading the bagel blaster. I'm done with this YouTube stuff. YouTube, if you're listening, I'm coming after you. This is ridiculous. You guys keep shutting me down. I'm losing viewers. Unbelievable. I think this thing needs new batteries, guys. Very lackluster on the money gun. Yeah, maybe I put a little too much in. It can't handle our money, guys. It can't handle our money. Frame rate is too high. Please set the frame rate to 30 frames or less. I'm doing a show, YouTube. I can't change the frame rate. Come on. Come on. Hey, this is for James's birthday, guys. This is for James's birthday. Happy birthday, James. I hope this is less lackluster. Happy birthday, James. There it is, baby. There it is. Let's go. All right, guys. What were we even talking about? You know what, YouTube? I'm going to have my people talk to you. I'm going to have my people come over and talk to you. I'm just saying. You know, my friends that run the pizzeria, that's really not, it's a pizzeria, but it's not really a pizzeria. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to have to have one of my guys come talk to you. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We're just rug pulling the stream like that. Okay. Sorry, guys. Getting a little heated here. Getting a little heated up. Yusuf, welcome to the stream. We keep getting shut down by YouTube. This is unbelievable. I'm spinning the wheel. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. Ave. It's AA. That's why. It's AAVE, not AVVE. That's why it's that. That's why we couldn't find it, guys. Thank you, whoever just put that in there. Bing bong. YouTube, stop taking me down. Bing bong. Throwing out the good old vocal cords here, guys. Good Lord. All right. Oh, God, really shot the voice there. Jesus. All right. Ave. It looks like we're talking about XRP. All right, here we go. Ave, there it is. All right. Okay. Whew. Sorry, little rant there, guys. Little rant. Okay. Okay. Ave coming in at $140.50. Yeah, nice money flow coming up. Not looking bad, guys. Look at this. Boom, coming up with the money flow. Love it. VWAP down, right? Coming down with the VWAP. I think, we did come up a bit. Maybe we're just taking a little bit of a correction, and we're going to come back up. And, maybe we'll see a wave, something like this. I mean, this is the 15-minute, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. But, yeah, let's look at the daily. Yeah, I mean, money flow in the red, but money flow in the red, just kind of curving. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Guys, we just printed a daily candle. I told you we were going to catch it live on stream. Here it is, flattening out the money flow a little bit. So this does look like it could maybe, swoop up. We'll have to see. But let's check the 4-hour. So we got the blue triangle on Market Cipher A. Guys, if you have not watched the Market Cipher A video and you're wondering what all these little icons on these candles are, go check out the Market Cipher A video. I'll give you a little sneak peek here. Blue triangle right here is signifies a trend reversal, right? So we were in a downtrend. We have these yellow X's. You guys know what those mean, right? And then we're coming up, indicating that the previous trend is now reversing. Typically, these blue triangles are a lot of the times followed by gold diamonds and green dots on top of the candles, signifying a bullish continuation, but we'll have to see. I give a lot of good information on Market Cipher A video, guys. A lot of good information on how to, how to trade, how to use these to add confirmation to your trade, when these are invalidated. There's certain setups where you don't want, you'll see a bunch of gold triangles, right? And then a lot of good information. Just go check out the video. I'll say that. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, so Ave not looking horrible. Not saying we're going to hit all-time highs anytime soon, but, VWAP, below the zero line here. It's going to be dependent on Bitcoin for the most part, guys. Like, I don't see any golden setups here. Does look like, not quite. But, yeah, so there's Ave for you. Frankie, we all have good time chatting in the community. We can survive the technical difficulties. All right. I knew you guys would come back. Maybe I didn't have to, go after YouTube with the bagel blaster there a little bit. You know, just a Sicilian here in the bagel factory trying to count the sesame seeds so the beautiful community doesn't have to waste their time. YouTube's just trying to shut me down. Unbelievable, unbelievable. I will say this, guys, if that happens again, probably, yeah, I mean, I was able to fix it pretty quick. Also, behind the scenes, I'm also dealing with a little bit of a janky setup here. Someone stole my power cords to all my monitors. I have a monitor right here, and then there's a separate table with the streaming computer. So I got to unplug the power cord from my monitor, plug it into the one on the streaming computer, take my mouse out of my computer, bring it over there. It's a mess. So I was able to do all that in like 15 seconds. Not bad, right? I pride myself on my plugging in and pulling out plug abilities. Pretty proud of that. Pretty proud of that. Okay, let me just fix the chat here. Guys, I hope we can get onto a weekend stream. I think we can have fun on a weekend stream. I'm kind of pumped about that. Luna just going crazy, up another 8% since we started the stream. No way. Oh, I wish we were watching. I wish we were watching. Where's Luna? Where's Luna? Where's Luna? There she is. Boom. Okay. 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 Look at that. Look at that. Look. Oh, here you go. Perfect example, guys. See? Look at this. Blue triangle followed by a gold diamond and a green dot. It signifies bullish continuation. So yeah. So as you can see here, no blue triangle, but this green dot signifying that you were going to have a continued bullish move. Let's see. Oh, this is the daily. Let's come down to the 1 hour. A little 1 hour action. See, blue triangle, gold diamond, green dot, gold diamonds, bullish continuation. Looking right now, I'm just looking out for divergences and trying to see. All right, okay. Wow, yeah, Luna's on a rip. Luna's on a rip, guys. Luna's on a rip. Yeah, Luna cooking, right? Let's see, where can we start looking for a retrace? I hate that all my lines got deleted. I don't know why that is. All right, so you got past there. Where is this? Is this any significant level here? Yeah, I mean, you had resistance in the past, right here. Came up, rejected, and then finally broke out. Maybe, just maybe, you come up, you reject, and then you break out. You never know. Nothing's 100%. But, yeah, I mean, VWAP, this is the 2 hour. VWAP still, deep in the green on the 2 hour. Not looking bad. Maybe we could see Bitcoin start to move sideways and we could finally see these altcoins move. Where's the alt season? All right, let's see. I am loving all the special topic videos, learning more than I did in college. MC Crypto, that makes me so happy, not only because you're learning and it's going to help you make money, but also because I do personally believe that at least in my situation, I got scammed by college. I don't know. I can't speak for everybody. I got scammed for the most part in college, I feel like. If I was a little older when I was signing those papers, I probably would have been like, it sounds like a scam. But that's okay. We move on. And maybe if I didn't go to college, maybe I would wind up here. And that would be sad because I love where I'm at right now. Let's see. Ada looking good on the 1 hour. All right, who said it? Oh, John Connor. Hey, John, how are you? Let's see. Love John Connor. He's in here a lot. Ada looking good on the 1 hour. Okay. Guys, my brain is at like 2% functionality, so I apologize if this stream is not up to par with the rest of them. I am tired. I should really rest this weekend, but I do want to do a weekend stream with you guys. But I am, just so you guys know, running on like 1.5 cylinders right now. Usually I'm like a 12 cylinder, But anyway, Ada looking good on the 1 hour. Boom. Let us know what are you looking for, John? What do you think looks good on the 1 hour? I'd love to know. Let's see. Okay. I mean, yeah, we got the green dot on the momentum wave. VWAP coming down. Probably going to get a little bit of a correction here. Let's see. What's the 4 hour looking like? Okay. So 1 hour VWAP coming down. Let's come down to the 15-minute. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I mean, Ada looking not too horrible. Almost back to 90 cents. Can we reclaim that dollar? Guys, can we come back here? Can Can we come back and get over this dollar? Can we do it? Hopefully. I hope so. I do have an ADA bag. I would like to, make some profit at some point, during this cycle with my ADA. Kind of thought it was going to be one of my best performers. All season incoming, Frankie. I hope so, MC Crypto. I hope so. I think Michael Saylor is the smartest person in cryptocurrency, folks, in my opinion. Hey, Michael Saylor is definitely a smart guy. Definitely a smart guy. Let's see. You have some requests for Sol. Thank you for that, Tyler. Let's check out Sol. Boom. All right, let's take a look at Solana. Little Solana. Sometimes I call her Selena. You never know. Yeah, I think my words are just beginning to not make sense. But that's okay. That's okay. As long as the TA is on point, that's all we care about, right? Okay, random line 3. All right. Okay, let's get rid of this Fibonacci. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Okay, boom. Okay, so starting on the daily, looks very similar to Bitcoin, right? Bullish divergence, right? This could be interesting, guys. This could be interesting. Boom, right? Sorry for the cruddy line here. Okay, one more time, we're gonna get it straight. Okay, one more time, we're gonna get it straight. Okay, you know what? We're gonna use the trend line, guys. We're gonna use the trend line because my lines are just miserable. Okay, so boom, so right there, and then we're gonna come up right here, grab our trend line again, and then we are making, lower low, right? So you got lower low, higher low. That's a bullish divergence, guys. There's the beginning of that move. This is the daily. So let's see if we come back in time. Let's come back in time here and see if we can find another bullish divergence on Solana and see how it played out. Well, I guess, could this... Boom. Let's see. Is this a bullish divergence? I mean, yeah. Hey, look at this. We found it. We found it. Look, you got from here to here, and you got from here to here, and then boom, right? So what did this one bring us up? Let's see. Boom, about, 78%. I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen, guys. 50, 70%. Depending on where you pull that from to the wicks. But where, yeah, I mean, I'm not saying this is happening. This is, guys, this is for fun. This is for fun. Let's say you come up 50%, even 30, but 50, that other one brought us up 50%, $128. Not bad, not bad. Not saying it's happening, right? But, so, and also just so you know, you did come down to this level here. And you did have support, right? So you could see it acting as resistance in this area over here. And then finally we busted through. And then, so that's where we're bouncing off right now. So definitely, this is the lowest Solana's been in quite some time since, since last year, August of last year, was the last time we were at these prices. So again, guys, if this 3-day blood diamond on Bitcoin plays out like the last one, this support is not going to hold, right? That doesn't mean, this support might not hold either way, but, this is definitely a strong support. Maybe not a bad time to maybe look at some Solana. Obviously, don't ape all your money into it, but this little divergence that we got going on here, and we're coming down to the support levels, got me feeling pretty good. Not looking bad. I'll say that, not looking bad. Let's see. Let's pull a little fib. Interesting. I love when you guys call out coins and we actually get to see something, right? So yeah, okay. So be careful, right? So you got the golden pocket here, probably going to act as resistance. But if we break through this, I would say this: if we could pop over this golden pocket, right? If we could pop through over the golden pocket and then bounce, I think that might be pretty bullish. That might be pretty bullish. But yeah. There's your Solana, ladies and gentlemen. Solana. Let's see here. Let's see. Going to the bagel factory, Michael. Yes, we are currently in the bagel factory. I actually live down here in the bagel factory. Maybe I'll bring some bagels. Maybe we'll do like bagel weekend streams, right? Where I sit down and we put the cream cheese on the bagels, guys. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. XRP, we've already dipped enough from Bitcoin at 68,000. Yeah, Joshua, I mean, we could see, hopefully we could see a nice little bounce there. Alt season incoming. Chat it with me. Chant it with me. Alt season. Alt. I don't know. That'd be a hard thing to altcoin season. Altcoin season. Altcoin season. I like that. I like that. Guys, we're bringing that chant back during altcoin season, and it's going to be epic. Okay. In my opinion, it was the bottom for crypto yesterday. Listen, Joshua, you could be right. You could be right. You could be right, could be wrong, right? Like all of us. But yeah, I mean, let's turn these spider lines back on. Like I said, look what I mean. Last time we came down to this spider line, we had a pretty massive pump, right? Right down here from 33 up. Ooh, baby, this mouse is. If I don't smash this mouse on the table by the end of this stream, it'll be a miracle. I'm just kidding, guys. But boom. You know, 39% last time we bounced off this spider line, right? So come back to this spider line. Where would 39% bring us? You know, not too much different. You know, almost the same price. About 46, guys. If we start seeing 46, that's close to 48, right? That's where I'd be looking, right? 48 to 52K is where I would like this relief rally to bring us. Although this relief rally kind of got stomped on, obviously, but. Yeah, maybe we get the relief rally from here, right? Because this was kind of a black swan event, this big dump. So let's see. Question from at Piabo. When you leverage trade, do you use stable coins or the asset that you're leveraging? It depends. It depends on what I'm trading. Typically for altcoins, I'm using USD. But altcoin. Michael Norris says altcoin season. Love it. Love it. I love that. Hey, guys, is that a sneezing emoji or a dabbing emoji? Let me know. Terra Luna. Terra Luna. Hopefully I'm not hurting your ears with these claps, guys. Having a really hard time getting past 40. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying earlier. Who said that? Oh yeah, Anon. Yeah, Crypto Anon. That's what I'm saying. If we could pop up and get past 40, I would start feeling pretty bullish. But you know, it depends on how the longer time frames look. The longer time frames, I do want to reiterate, is it, you know, we are seeing little pumps here and there. You know, it's looking a little more bullish than it has been, but the longer time frames, I do want to be clear, still look like hot garbage. Straight bean water, okay? Straight bean water. Let's see. Blow off saucy season. Let's go. Guys, altcoin season is now called saucy season. Let's go. I love that. Who said that? Eddie, thank you for that. I love that. I love that. Yeah, the dab emoji. Yeah, okay, dabbing on them. Dabbing on them, baby. Dabbing on them. Valia, I see you. I see you. I'm not going to read it, but I see you. Let's see. Frankie boy, in your opinion, what comes first? Retest at 52K or resistance or to 30K? Not financial advice. While Bronx Bitcoin Bulls, Jimmy Void. Thank you for the question, Jimmy. Okay, so he's asking what would come first, 52 or 30K? Well, right now, after we saw this big pump, I wasn't expecting this big of a pump. I would say, I'll say this, if we can break 40, I'll be expecting that pump to 52K much more, right? If we could break 40 and get on top of 40, tested as support, then I would be leaning towards that pump to about 48 to 52. If we get rejected at 40K, I will start feeling pretty bearish, thinking that, you know, but basically here, guys, let me just say this. At this point, this is the line that I don't want to break, right? So like, as you can see, we held it massive pump. We held it smaller pump. If we put a lower high in here and we break down again, and I'm feeling like we would break this. And once we break this, my next area, if we do break this spider line right here that we have bounced off of, you know, I would be expecting to come down to, you know, like these summer lows. I would be expecting to come down to these summer lows, you know, in the high 20s, low 30s, I would say, you know, kind of just this range in here. So if, as long as we can hold above this, if we settle, a lower high here and then we start coming down again, I would start feeling pretty bearish. Still could get a bounce again off of this spider line, but, the more times you knock on the door, right? The more times you knock on a door, the more likely the door is to open. So just a little bit of sauce for you guys. Guys, if you like the divergence sauce, I've been dropping these little teaser sauce, these little mini sauce testers I've been giving you with the divergences. Give me a hashtag value in the chat. And let me know you guys are learning something. And also, check out the divergence video coming out tomorrow so you can learn how you can use these to trade and make big profits. Uncle Jimmy says, I'm super late. Sad face. It's okay, Uncle Jimmy. We're still chilling. We're still chilling. Just winding down a little bit, but we're still chilling, so don't worry. Let's see. Monkey Nuts says, war will prevent the bull run. Actually, Monkey, if it has shown that through history, the way war affects the markets is you kind of get a big dip, right? And when you get the news, but then war has actually proven to be pretty bullish for markets as time goes on. So it would be interesting to see how it plays out. Definitely possible, right? But with all the money printing that usually goes on during wars, it typically does act as a bullish provider for markets in the past. But you do see these big dumps when you get the news. But that strong bounce has got me feeling a little better than I have been feeling. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong, hashtag value, sauce, hashtag value. Let's go. I'm glad you guys are learning. Super pumped about that. Makes me very, very happy. Hey, Frankie, happy Friday to you. I watched the Spiderline video last night. Do you only use it on Bitcoin? I tried on AVAX, but not a lot on the chart to draw. Yeah, I typically only use the spider lines on Bitcoin. Maybe I'll come out with a video soon about how to draw them on ETH, because you can draw them on ETH. But yeah, Bitcoin is really all I use them for. How do you draw spider lines? Grassy Bacon, if you check out, if you go to the channel, I have a how to draw spider lines video. There's a little spider on the thumbnail. You can't miss it. Check it out. I show you exactly how to draw them and how to use them. Let's see. So glad your internet is back, bro. Joshua, yeah, me too. YouTube keeps shutting us down, and it's quite annoying. We had to get the bagel blaster on them, and we just launched a couple $100 bills in them, launched a couple Benjis at YouTube, and they gave us our internet back. Hashtag value Wendell, I appreciate you. Yes, on ETH would be great too, MC. Yeah, we can try to get that video out soon. Don't trust. Okay. Who Sorry, Tyler Durden. I don't know what that one said, but you got rid of that just in time. Let's see. Gold and silver is up a little bit. Surely crypto will pump even more. Hopefully, that's what we're hoping for. Uranium went up 3%. Thanks, Frankie, and hi to the crew. Jonas, thank you for being here. Can we take a look at Matic chart? Say less. Say less. Who said it? Say less, Logan. Logan Hancock in the house. Let's see. Matic. Okay. Bada boom, baby. Okay. Let's take a look at Matic. Okay, guys. These random lines are driving me crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm losing my mind. Okay. Matic. Okay, so all right, look at that. We held this little support area. We wicked out of it, and then we came back up. It looks like we stuck it, and now we are coming up to the top of this box, probably finding a little bit of resistance there. Yeah, where are we? We're on the daily, right? Money VWAP over the zero line, money flow, kind of rounding off a little bit there. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, coming up. Yeah, look at, I think we might bust out of here. Probably gonna come test this fib level right here at about $1.68. Look at that, guys. I'm just trying to tease these divergences. Boom, boom. This is a bullish divergence. And then from here to there. Line down, line up, boom, you came up. You could have made that trade at about, a nice 21%. 2 days. Oh, baby, am I mad I missed that. Okay. It's okay. It's going to dump. It's going to pump again. It's going to dump again. It's going to pump again, guys. Don't worry about missing trades. Don't worry. Douglas Yalder said flying a plane at 420. I think I get it. I think I get it. You're going to round the bases on the Bangers first game. What would your top 10 market or top 10 MC be for 2024 long term in your micro caps? Okay. I mean, altcoins I can give you. Micro caps, I mean, you got to be careful, right? There's a certain way to trade micro caps, right? You don't want to just be like trading micro caps for typically when I trade micro caps, I'm in and out, right? I'm in, I get a multiple X, I'm out. I flip that into another one, I multiple X, you're out. You have to remember, guys, everybody's looking for that Hail Mary 300X to make them a millionaire. But remember this, I think it's $1,000 or $100. I'm not sure. You guys might know about this, but I think it's $1,000 is 10 doubles away from $1 million, right? So 1,000 into 2,000, right? So you start with 1,000 into 2,000, right? That's one double. 1,000 into 2,000. 2,000 to 4,000, 4,000 to 8,000, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 64, 120 something. But basically, you get the idea, right? You flip $1,000 10 times, you have $1 million. That's only a 2x, 10 2x's, right? That's all you need to do, right? So if you could just get into a coin 2x, flip it into another one 2x, flip it into another one 2x. These 2x's are everywhere in crypto. So you only have to do it 10 times to make $1 million. It's simple, right? Obviously easier, the idea is simple, not easy, right? It's simple, not easy. It's simple as ABC, but not easy. But just remember that, like, you don't always have to catch these 100Xs. Everybody wants to jump in and get rich in a minute. You're much better off taking a slower approach, putting $1,000 into something, getting a 2X and flipping it around, just getting your 2X, right? It's a lot less risky to go for a 2X than it is to go for a 10X, because you might get a 4X and you're like, oh, I'm going to get a 10X, and then it dumps and you don't get any X's. You know what I'm saying? So just a little sauce there for you guys, little life sauce. Okay, Franklin, can you explain the black diamond? When is this potential? Black diamond? Black diamond? I don't know what you're talking about. New to the game. I don't know exactly what you mean by this black diamond. Anyone know of a good wallet for Cardano? I have been, I don't know if you're talking about like a regular Cardano wallet, but I use Nami wallet when I'm flipping my Cardano NFTs. New to the game, says Frankie. New to the game. Let's see. Sorry for misunderstanding that 1 hour ADA comment. Hashtag Noom John Connor. Don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. Biomex, too thick for the bagels. Hey. All right. XRPTA. Yeah, we could do, John, we could do that. XRP. But yeah, Matic. You have this little bullish divergence. Could have caught that 22%. I love doing this, guys. I love, like, even if we're not in the trade, like, I like showing you guys like how you can see these, right? Lower low, higher low, bullish divergence, 22%. I think it was 22%. It was over 20%. I almost said, dude. If you put 10x leverage on that, could have been like 220% profit, dude. Anyway, let's see. Do you do wick offs or fractals? If so, is BTC fractal from February 3rd repeating? I haven't been doing a lot of fractals on the stream. We can start doing them. We can try to take a look at that in a little bit, but yeah, we will start doing fractals and wick offs. It's crazy how well they work sometimes. So we will start doing those. Spread them into coins you believe in. When one pops off, distribute the full balance to another coin, repeat for each coin, pop off. Nice strategy. Yeah, absolutely, Chadwick, absolutely. It's also a little safer, right? I mean, you could get a 2x off of Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's not going to do a 25x anymore, right? It's too big. But, if like even ETH, right? Like ETH is easy. You get multiple X's out of ETH still, but you could put it into like pretty safe coins. If all you're looking for is a 2x, right? That's kind of how, like, when I scalp trade, I'm only looking for a 1% move, right? And if you're on the 15-minute or the 30-minute, 1% moves happen all the time, right? And because all I need is a 1% move if I'm looking to get 10% profit, right? So the lower your expectation for gains, the safer and the more wins you'll have. If you're always going for 10x, like those don't happen. I mean, they happen a lot in crypto, but like, you're going to get you're going to get 2x's a lot more often. Did you get a Lambo already? Yes, I have. I actually have 2 Lamborghinis. I have a a Huracan Performante like Benz. They actually match. And then I have a lime green Aventador. I'm totally kidding. I don't have any Lamborghinis. I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. I do not have a Lamborghini. Ben has a Lamborghini, and it's sick. Oh God, when you downshift, it auto rev matches and it pops and it gurgles and it's, oh gosh, if you're a car person, you know how great that is. But anyway, let's see. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, links down below. Check the trading psychology video. Captain Kirk, you are a legend. Thank you so much, Captain Kirk. We love you. Okay, look at February 3rd on BTC. Iron, I will take a look at that. Let's go BTC, February 3rd. Boom. February 3rd. Hey, non-possible. I see what you mean. I see what you're talking about with the fractal. Yeah. So you came down, you had that little bit. Does look similar. Let's see. Where are we? Boom. Where is it? February 3rd. Yeah, let's see. I think this is what you're talking about. Yeah. Could be. Hang on, let's do that a little better. Guys, we're gonna start doing these a little more often because they are very, very, very interesting. So let's go. Boom. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, I think this is right. Kind of rushed it there. Hey, I mean, it would bring us right up to, close to that 46. Yeah, I mean, if we could test this and break out, not bad. As you can see, wow, that's interesting, right? Oh, I guess I stretched it out. But yeah, I mean, if you line this up as close to this as you can, we didn't dip down as far, but look at this. This is interesting, right? Because it comes up, right? And we kind of reject off these spider lines and then we flip them into... Who said it? Who is that? Oh, no, February 3rd into the pump? That is interesting. I don't really know. Feb 3rd into the pump. Gotcha. Feb 3rd. Oh, let's go to the daily, actually. So it's easier to get that February 3rd date. Where are we? February 8th, 4th, 3rd. So the 3rd into the pump. Yeah, it's hard to know. It's hard to tell through the chat. Pull it down. Yeah, I can't. It's going to be hard to do this like through text. But we will be doing more. We will be doing more fractals. So Ben likes his sauce like water. You're welcome. You got it. Oh, okay. Okay, Alan. I think the chats are a little delayed today, but cool. Yeah, very interesting how we stuck that spider line. Very, very interesting. Let's see. Feel like Luna gonna pass ADA in market cap real soon. Anyone think it looks most likely to hit all-time highs? Looks good on the 1 hour. Let's see. Luna. Where are you, girl? Where are you, baby girl? Hey. Yeah. Let's go to the 1 hour. I don't know if you guys are talking about the 1 hour, but we are looking at Luna here. Yeah, you're probably going to see a little rejection, I would think. I mean, the VWAP could reject and come back up. But if this VWAP curves down, you'll probably get a little rejection off of this support. But maybe, maybe we could see something like this where you reject down. Even if you come down to here, you could maybe come back up and break out. Let's see. I have to roll, everyone. Have a good weekend. Hashtag CandleMafia. Crypto Anon. We'll see you next time, man. Thank you for being here. Who's the oldest in chat room? I'm 38. How old do you guys think I am? I'd love to know. Put in chat, guess my age. How about this? What do we do? Frankie's pulling profits with the boss sauce, hashtag value. Snake7273. What's going on, Snake? Welcome to the stream. I don't know if you've been in here. I didn't see you at first. Welcome to the stream. Guys, 246 likes. Let's get to 250, and we'll spin the wheel twice and see if we can get some fun going on. Frankie's 32. Yeah, put Frankie and then my age, and let me know how old you guys think I am. This is actually interesting for me to see, too, to see how old my audience is. I'd love to see how old you guys think I am. A lot of people can't guess my age. All right, let's see. We got 49, 52, 45, 36, 50. Let's go. 36, 26, 22. All right, so I got Frankie 27, Frankie 18, 25, Frankie's 28, Frankie's 33. Oh, this is fun. 24, 18, 26. I got my Powerball numbers. Joshua says I got my Powerball numbers. Frankie, ladies are always 21 if they ask. Learned the hard way. 29, Frankie is 26. Frankie's 34. Frank, you're doing a great job, Frank. Drew, I appreciate that. You're 23, 27, 42, 41. Frankie's 32. Frankie's 25, 29. Boom! Bing, 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 bing. Brian Ferris, you were right. I am 29 years old, turning 30, the big 3-0, coming up on April 27th. Let's see. That is interesting. All right, so I range from 18 to 32 is about the average age guess for me. Frankie is old like Bitcoin. Michael. Yeah, I'm feeling old like Bitcoin. My knees are starting to creak. I heard like the day you turn 30, you wake up and have new pains. Let's see. Thank you, bro. Icon. Frankie 26. Yeah, a lot of people think I'm 26. I actually get 26 a lot. I guess I got that 26 vibe. Hey, I'll take it. My birthday is April 11th. Let's go, Christian. That's lit. We'll celebrate our birthdays together. Another April birthday, huh? Yeah, baby. What up, Frankie? Turning the dirty 30. Yeah, dirty 30. Hey guys, for my dirty 30, we're counting the money, baby. We're counting the money. Tony C says, "Dang, youngster." Frankie's 33. You're Mr. Ali Al. Mr. A is asking me if I'm farting dust yet. I like that. That's funny. Not quite. I'm not there yet. Maybe when I turn 30. Oh, I thought we were saying our ages. You were. At first you were saying your ages, then you were guessing my age. Great stream again tonight. I got to run. Bubba's Crypto, thank you for being here. I feel like I didn't see that much. I must have missed your chats, but thank you for being here. We love you, Blanchard's Bees. You a pup like Bitcoin. I was in a bank commercial at 17. Interesting. Best channel on YouTube. Brian, I appreciate that. The only channel where you can make money alongside me and also have a fun time and laugh and win prizes like all the time. We gave away a Cardano NFT. We gave away a Ledger Nano S. We've only had the channel for like a month. We already gave away 2 giveaways. We're giving another giveaway. We're doing one-on-one sessions. We're showing you how to trade. We're telling you where the good shorts are. We're telling you where the good longs are, guys. We're taking off. We're taking off on this channel. We are getting it done here. We're counting the bagels. We're counting the sesame seeds. We're baking the dough. We're collecting baguettes. We're finagling the bagel. We're counting the bread. Guys, we're doing it on this channel. That was awkward. Anyway, my mother's maiden name is Bite Me. Interesting. Okay. All right, guys. Coming up here. Wow, that went by fast, guys. Time flies when you're having fun. Let's get a little bit of FaceTime in here with my beautiful people. Guys, we hit 250 likes. We're getting 2 wheel spins. Let's get the first one in here. Hashtag value, hashtag CandleMafia. You're my second favorite after Crypto Face. Christian, I'll say this. I will take the number, I will take second favorite after Face. I will take that. Thank you. I respect that. I will take that. Thank you for that. Learning with Frankie. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Guys, Ben was telling me, right? Because I do come on the morning streams about twice, 2 or 3 times a week usually. I gotta say, Ben actually came up to me and was saying that he saw the CandleMafia coming through strong on the morning stream. So shout out to you guys. Coming through super strong on the morning stream. They were saying, "Where's Frankie Candles? Where's Frankie Candles? We want candles. Let's go." So thank you for that, guys. Keep that up. That is awesome. I love to hear that. So keep repping me in the morning stream, and I'll keep popping up, doing my TA, bringing up my sauce, hitting those bing bongs, right? People were saying they wanted another bing bong on the morning stream. I saw you, I heard you, and I gave it to you. I always give a little bing bong before I head off. Even though Ben tries to knock me out of the way sometimes, you got to grab the mic. I'm like, bing bong, and they push me away. But we get the bing bongs in for the CandleMafia. Let's go. Strongest community on YouTube. I appreciate every single one of you. Here's the wheel spin. Mods, were there any recommendations for the wheel? Because I'm probably just going to fill this in on my own if next stream if there were none. But guys, if you have anything fun you want to put on the wheel, let me know and I will add it right now. Spin number 1. It's so awkward with no noise. Brrr, bop, 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 bop. Nothing. Wow, that is as in the middle as you can get. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's weekend stream we already got. So we'll do celeb DM. Who's the celeb for tonight? Who's the celeb? Who are we DMing? Yesterday it was Joe Rogan. The one before that was Kevin Hart. Let's see. Let's see. Instagram. Night off. Oh, Mr. A is saying night off. The wheel is just sad. That wheel is sad. Look how empty it is. It's crying. It's also like gross. This is actually, I don't know what this is, but I can't get it off. But we're getting a new wheel, custom made by our boy Tony, one of our great mods. Next show, put some music on playing. Yeah, Joshua, we're working. We're gonna get music going. We're gonna get sound effects going. Maybe little animations that pop up on the screen. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have we're gonna have really a lot of fun, guys. We're gonna have a good time on this stream. It's gonna be fun. Matt Lauer, Shaq. Oh, we're doing Shaq. Let's do it. Let us do it. Shaq. Shaquille O'Neal. Here we go. What are we saying? Should I say like what's up, short stuff? Even though Shaq is an absolute monster. I'm gonna go at him. I'm gonna go at him because no, I'm kidding. BTC Frankie. Okay, we'll go. I will do a little last check-in on Bitcoin before we head out here. Doja on Mars. Let's go. 40K now. Tom Brady. Can you add trip to all-inclusive resorts to Mexico? Maybe one day. Maybe one day soon. Drake would actually appear. Maybe. All right, maybe we'll do Drake. We'll do Drake. Oh, no, he's not. He's Champagne Poppy, right? Yeah, Champagne Poppy. All right, here we go. He has 103 million followers on Instagram. 103, that's insane. I mean, he's Drake. It doesn't surprise me, but that's a huge number. It's not very often you see 100 million people follow somebody. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and DM him. I'm just going to say, what's up, Poppy? Should we say hola, Poppy? Here we go. Here we go. This is going to be the last one. I'm going to take it off the wheel and add some new stuff. And come on. There we go. All right. What's up, Poppy? What's up, Poppy? Boom. Just DM Drake, guys. It's funny that you could just DM people. Obviously, they'll never see that. But Drake loves crypto. Oh, okay. Maybe he will answer. Maybe he'll recognize me. And maybe he will come in. Did it really? Am I getting trolled? Oh, wow, we did. Okay, I'm not getting trolled. So you guys are a good community. I don't get trolled as much as other streamers do. Okay, so we didn't break it. We did not break it, but we hit it. That's big, guys. That's big, and it happened live on stream. Let's go. Yeah, coming up. Let's see if we can pop that Let's see if we can pop that and flip it. That would be very bullish, guys. That would be very, very bullish. I know you guys can't see the screen. I just wanted to check if that was real. How about a Zoom call for us all? Can you do that? Like a mass Zoom call? That would be a nightmare, right? Or I guess only certain people could talk. I mean, we could add that. I don't know how that would work logistically, but yeah, we could try to get that done. Hang on, let me get my dry erase marker really quick. Where is my dry erase marker? Found it. Found it. Yeah, can you do that? I wonder if you can. Can it hold 15-minute Zoom call with Frankie? Yeah, we have that on there, Anon. One-on-one 15-minute call. Let's see. We could add, I'll just add group Zoom. We could try that. We'll try that. We'll try that. How far above 40 would it need to hold for a bullish signal? Listen, all I'm looking for is for us to, just pop over, right? I mean, the higher up we go, the stronger the stronger. But I'm just looking to flip up. I'm not going to be picky. I just want it to flip and bounce and flip it to support. That's all I'm looking for right now. One step at a time. One step at a time. Take it easy. Take it easy. Anyway. Aren't you Drake's cousin? How'd you know that? I am Drake's cousin. I'm related to Drake, guys. I just DM'd him. He's gonna answer me. I have his phone number. I'm just kidding. I don't know Drake. Let's see. Oh God, look at these people. They're back. The scammers are back, guys. The scammers are back. Group Zoom would be amazing. Okay, we got Group Zoom on there. Let's go. Free BitLab course. So I wouldn't be able to make that call right now, but yeah, I can't make that call, but I can ask. I can try to work it. Let's see. In along, let's go. Will, congratulations. Let's see. Great stream today. Smash the likes. Okay. You know what? I'll try to fill this in a little bit later, just because we are running over a little bit. Oh no, there goes my dry erase cap. I'll fill this in later. If guys, get in touch with me. Comment on a video if you have any good ideas for the wheel. But yeah, let's. We going subscriber only soon seems to combat the scammers good. Oh yeah, maybe soon. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Yeah, and I see you guys on Twitter. You are DMing me. I am seeing them. I am very, 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 very swamped with the channel. But I see you, and I'm going to take some time this weekend to answer you. Hopefully we could get on a stream today. Not today, I'm sorry. Hopefully we can get on a stream this weekend. I think that would be really fun. Maybe DZ will come in for a little bit. We'll have fun. If I get into a trade, if I'm in a trade this weekend, which usually I trade a little less on the weekends, there's lower volume. But if I am in a trade this weekend, we're 100% going live. I hit the wheel. So I do technically owe you guys a weekend stream, but I do feel like I should probably relax a little bit this weekend just because we had that late night stream, kind of messed up my whole sleep schedule. But I love you guys so much that I have fun doing this. So maybe we'll just hop on anyway. I don't know if I'll be able to resist. But anyway, thank you all for being here. I appreciate every single one of you so much. Hey, just real quick, guys, don't forget about the divergence video coming out tomorrow around lunchtime, between 11 and 12 in the afternoon. And hey, before we go, we're going to give away another Ledger Nano S starting next week. I will announce it. And if you want to win the one-on-one 15-minute call with me, make sure you watch, like, subscribe, and comment on the divergence video coming out tomorrow. With that being said, that's all I got. I love all your beautiful faces, and I will see you, hopefully, this weekend. Frankie Candles out.
Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos.